ready to head out. Packing up the last things here for the Pro R. It's all new parts on this thing, so definitely been an undertaking. Yeah, we're just getting everything buttoned up, getting the chase trucks loaded, trying to head out of here tonight. We'll see how it goes.
Finally ready to hit the road. We're running a little bit late, almost a full day actually, but that's part of racing. It takes a long time to get prepped for such a large race like the Baja 1000 Peninsula run. We're going to be just fine. We're still going to get all of our miles in and be ready for the start of the race.